Welcome to the inventory portion of the POS. You will find the inventory tab here. We will start with inventory settings. Here you can create and name departments such as food, men's clothing, or office furniture, and categories within those departments like appetizers, shirts, and desks. You can also create locations like back room or walk-in refrigerator to represent where items will be physically stored. Now hover over the Inventory tab at the top again and select Inventory List. Here you can add a new item by clicking on the Add Item button to the right. This is the General page. It allows you to input all criteria associated with the item. This information is important for generating reports and running your system, but only the starred fields are required. Now click on the Modifiers tab. A modifier is an item that makes up or changes the contents of a menu item. Modifiers are typically, but not always, raw goods. A raw good is something that is only used to make something else. For example, coffee beans could be a raw good if you use coffee beans to make coffee, which you then sell. But if you also sell coffee beans by the pound, then coffee beans would be a menu item as well as a raw good. There are 4 types of modifiers: portion modifiers, forced single choice modifiers, included modifiers, and optional modifiers. The portion modifier allows you to create different sizes of the item. On the iPad, the user will only be able to select one size while placing an order. The single choice modifier is much like the portion modifier in that you must choose one of the options. Color, cooking type, or sauce type are all examples of a single choice modifier. Included modifiers are modifiers that come as part of the order. As a promotion, a pizza may come with a soda. Soda would then be added to the included modifiers group to help with tracking and inventory. If on the iPad soda was unselected, then it would be removed from the text on the order window, and it would not be deducted from the inventory. Optional modifiers are wonderful for allowing users to quickly customize an order. If a customer wants a coffee with whipped cream and nutmeg, the user can click on those optional modifiers, and it will show up on the order window, preparation ticket, and in the inventory. The last section on this page is reserved for the special functionality buttons. These buttons can be enabled to give the user even greater flexibility when placing orders. We will now move on to Adjust Inventory. To adjust the quantity of an inventory item, please go to Adjust Inventory. At the top of this page, you can search for a single item and adjust it, or you can upload a list for adjusting many items at once. The next page in the drop-down is Import Inventory. Use Import Inventory when you are importing your inventory for the first time, or when you are receiving inventory from a supplier. After Import Inventory, you will find Adjust Price List. There you can download your current pricing and make changes to many items at once. Then import those changes back into the system. Inventory iPad Display allows you to set how you'd like your inventory to show up on the iPad. As you select options, you will then see them as they appear on the iPad. You can also drag the columns into any order you like. The last page in inventory is Manage Suppliers. Here you can add suppliers and link them to specific inventory items. Thank you for watching. To learn more about your POS system, please refer to the Help tab. There you will find a library of tutorial videos.